What's going on, guys? It's Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Today I have another 2017 Ford F-150 XLT that we just got done lifting and added some new wheels and tires to. So if you guys are looking to lift your truck, figure out what lift kit to go with, what wheels and tires to go with, you should definitely take a look at what we did to this one. So first off, we're going to go over the lift kit that we added, which is going to be a 6-inch rough country suspension lift kit. This one's going to have the lifted struts as part of the package. So you have 3 different options when you choose your lift kit from rough country. You're going to have the strut spacer, which is going to have a spacer that goes right above the stock strut, or like this one, we're going to replace the strut, take that one out, and replace it with a whole new one that's going to be longer so it fits in there nice and like it's supposed to. Or you can go with the third option, the best one, if you want the best ride quality possible, which is going to be the Vertex adjustable coilovers, which is going to be, again, give you the best ride quality. With this one, we did choose to use the lifted struts because this one does have a little bit more miles on it since it is a 2017. Being a couple years old, with being more miles on it, the struts were going to be worn out. So let's go ahead and replace those. With this lift kit, we do have to do a little bit of trimming with this wheel and tire package as well. With the plastic piece underneath the bumper, there's we just do a little bit of trimming to make sure that there isn't really any major rubbing when you do a full turn. The tire is going to be a 35-1250 R22 Nitto Ridge Grappler. This one's going to be the hybrid tire, a mix between their all-terrain and mud-terrain tires. So it's going to be just the right amount for us. So this is our favorite tire that we use for pretty much all of our trucks. This one's going to give you the aggressive look of a mud-terrain tire, but it's also going to give you the ride quality with the quiet ride and long tread life of the all-terrain tire. But like I said, they do have other options for the mud-terrain and all-terrain tires. You have the Trail Grappler, which is going to be the mud-terrain tire for Nitto. That's going to have the more aggressive and more knobbier look and give you more off-road capabilities. Or you can go with the all-terrain, which is going to be the Trail Grappler G2, which is going to be the all-terrain look for your vehicle and give you the longer tread life and quieter ride. Down here we have a 22x12 Fuel Contra. This one's going to be the most popular wheel probably across the nation. This one's going to be a wheel that goes on absolutely everything. This one's going to have that simple design and that concave look, so it's going to be a very good looking modern design with that negative offset, which is with this one it's going to be that 22x12 with the -44 offset, which really pushes the center of the wheel in and gives that nice offset look and pushes that wheel and tire package out 4 to 5 inches, giving a nice wider stance as well. So overall, with this gloss black and milled look and the truck itself, it gives a really nice clean design. So if you guys are looking to get your truck lifted and want to get a package put together, you should really consider this one and all the other ones that we have on our website, which you can use a link in the description to check out all those. And if you guys are really wanting to get your truck lifted, we have options for 0% financing for up to 12 months. So if you aren't really wanting to pay all of the money in right now, you can go use that financing option, but you can learn all about that as well in the description. See you guys next time.